Hi everyone, my name is Nipa and today I'm going to show that how Padlet application is useful for a teacher in a classroom to teach any type of subjects, as well as this application is also useful for the students to learn about any subjects, as well as through this application teacher and student can easily connect with each other. If they are not in a classroom, they can connect through a Padlet. It's not a free application, but it's provide a 14-day free trial to use how Padlet works. After that, teacher and students have to pay $12 per month to use a Padlet. So this is my Padlet account, and in this account, how teacher can join with the students. The first question is how teacher can join with the students. So teacher can create a QR code, as well as they can share a link of a Padlet to a student, so student can enter the code and they can connect with teacher Padlet account. So whatever teacher can share in a Padlet, student can see this one, as well as teacher can put any question on a Padlet, student can give the answer of that particular question. Let's see that how it works. So teacher can create a wall, canvas, stream, grid, map, timeline through a Padlet. I would like to show that how can anyone select a wall. It's like a blackboard that whatever teacher want to write, how to use Padlet. Maybe this is the question which one teacher want to like to ask to their students, so they can share like this through students. They can get the answer. Every student see on their Padlet that what is the question which is given by a teacher, and they can also give the answer the same as the plus sign. They can write that Padlet is useful for connection and everything, so they can post their answer. So whatever they post, maybe it's good application. So this is the answer how to use Padlet. So like some student like to give the answer, it's a good application, it's good for connection, it's good for problem solving application and everything. So whatever students write the answer, teacher can see this answer, as well as the other students can see the answer. I would like to see one of my example that I have created. What is the planet? This is my Padlet name, in which I have creating something different also. Like I can also share my maths problem in my Padlet, as well as I can also input the videos, input images from my any type of URL from YouTube, from my personal computer. So teacher can input any type of pictures, videos through a Padlet, and they can share. So it's a very useful application in a classroom to get in touch with the students, as well as it's also useful because one student can see the answer of particular question which is given by the other students. So it's like they can gain idea through the answers. They can share their idea to our students. They can like whatever they want, which answer is good, student can like by this button. They can share their own Padlet to other students, and they can make their own Padlet. So it's a very useful application in a classroom. Teacher can easily connect through a Padlet, whatever, whenever, whatever place they provide. If there is no classroom in a class, there is no students, they can learn through a Padlet at their home also. So this is a very good for application for students as well as for a teacher to teach any type of subject. It's not required to teach only one subject, because teacher can create and generate any answer. They can create and generate any type of Padlet name. So it's very easy to use, as well as it's very comfortable for the students as well as for a teacher. Thank you.